Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda Fourtrax TRX 420 Rancher. This thing is in beautiful shape, only 36 hours. It's got some nice upgrades, including the quick release front tray basket, heated electric grips, a rear passenger seat with armrests, four-wheel drive. This bike is in beautiful shape. It also has reverse gear. You can run it in 2 or 4-wheel drive. Come on by and make your 420 Rancher dreams come true for just $69.99. That's a big savings off of new, especially with these accessories. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.